Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to sell food on TikTok shop. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok shop account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on TikTok shop? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tiktokshop.com. Once you get into the website, go through the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after creating your account, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on TikTok shop. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to sell food on TikTok shop. From this homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen. You're going to find these options, which include others, products, marketing, affiliate, down to finance. Click on products. And that's going to take you right into the product window. Now we're going to add a new product. Click on add new product and it's going to take you to the add new product window. That's the product editing window where we can now impute our food and proceed to sell. So we have the page in right now. So you have the product image. So enter the product image, click on upload main image or upload primary, secondary, different angle, just any of this for you to upload image of the food that you want to sell. Now it's recommended to include at least 5 images to adequately represent your product. Scroll the way down and add your product name. Let's say seafood. Now, category will be identified automatically according to the product name. Head over to product category and click that. So right here, you're going to have to enter. Going to see if we're going to find food. Okay, so you have food and beverages. Okay, so you have food and beverages. Now it says couldn't select this category. All right, so you have food and so it says you have that banner that says couldn't select this category because it's an invite only category. So you have to apply for category permission. So let's click that. So it takes us here, category qualification. What's the category? So click here and now it says no valid category authorization found. So I can just click on add error network exception. Okay, it's doing all these things because I have not, my account or my shop has not been verified. All right, but if it has been verified, then just follow through this process for you to add that category. And after adding the category, then you can now select this food and beverages. This is going to be enabled after getting your category permission. So go over here and choose the category. If it's make and dairy, if it's drink, if it's food, any of that. So let's say instant food. You have further categories. So select any of these categories. And once you select any of them, that's going to be it. Then add a video of your food. Once you add that, you can add sales information if you want and shipping as well. So I'm not able to select this category. That's why the sales information category is not enabled. So once you select a category, then sales information is going to be available and you can add further details, add variation, just add further details, just everything regarding the entire sales information. Now, once you're done with that, go ahead and click on submit for review and wait for TikTok shop to give you a response to see if your food product has been approved. And once it has been approved, then it's going to be added to your TikTok shop. And once you get to TikTok shop, you'll be able to sell using your TikTok official account. So once your food product has been approved, head over to TikTok account. You're going to find the shop button, click on the shop button, and that's just it. It's going to be sent in there and it's going to be available for listing or available for sale. So this is pretty much the process. Ensure that your account or your shop has been approved by TikTok Shop for you to get started. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.